So finally talking about the fourth topic, that is a pointer to a 1D array, one dimensional array. Suppose we have an array A with the base address of 1000 and we have 5 elements in the array A, and each of and here we have considered int as just 2 bytes for our convenience, and we have and we have addresses accordingly. Like the first index is stored at 1000 address, which is and the array A will be returning this base address only, that is the address of A. And second index is stored at 1002, 1003 at 1004, and so on. So यहाँ पे a of I, that is the value of I, it is equivalent to a uh, pointer with the same base address, and we are adding the index I to the pointer. And यहाँ पे arithmetic meaning, यहाँ पे arithmetic addition subtraction, हम यहाँ पे arithmetic operation कुछ भी करेंगे pointers में, we need to remember that we need to simultaneously multiply the index with जो भी, अगर array में अगर character रखा हुआ है तो each character कितना units occupy कर रहा है, we will multiply to it. Since we are talking about integers over here, so we will have to, whenever we are doing any arithmetic operation, we will have to multiply each array के अंदर integer each integer की value. Okay, so यहाँ पे while we are explaining, we'll go by this like third से ऊपर जाएंगे. So in this way I'll be able to explain. तो A is the base address of array. So यहाँ पे equivalent लिखी हुई है, A base address of array A is equal to 1000, जहाँ पे भी 1000 में base है. So in this way it is specified. Okay, second हम ith index पे अभी जाएंगे. So if we want to decode the value at third index, so our I is 3 and A plus 3, यहाँ पे A plus 3 1000 plus 3 नहीं करना है, 1000 plus 3 into, यहाँ पे since we are computing an integer array, we are computing within an integer array, तो यहाँ पे 3 into 2 करेंगे and we will get the address at the ith index to be 1000 and 1000 plus 3, since index is 3, and into 2, that is the value of each integer we have considered in this overall integer array, which is 1006. We are able to get the value. उसके बाद when we are using a dereferencing pointer, we will now dereference the value at the third index, that is dereference pointer in 1006 will give us 40, as we are able to see यहाँ पे 1006 में 40 stored है. So in this way we are calculating. So यहाँ पे उस way में इसको मैंने दिखाया हुआ है कि a plus 3 अगर है तो first a के हम base address लेंगे and size of each of integer value लिए और उसको multiply करेंगे index जो index का address हमको चाहिए, and then we will dereference whatever there is stored in that integer and get our value, final value.